Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Nowadays, a big controversy is running around us. This controversy led the parliament session, that budget session, not to run properly till date. Leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, raised a point regarding the book written by ex-army chief General Narwade. General Narwade was the army chief when the Galwan Valley clash between India and China took place. That clash took such a bigger step that many troops of India and many troops of China they had to let their life. Colonel Santosh Babu, who was commanding officer of the troops which were available in the Galwan clash in the initial days, he was martyred. We'll come to the technical and defense facts later on. Initially, I want to make you to understand why this controversy has come out and what is the issue behind the book written by the ex-army chief. My dear friends, this is not the first time that any army chief is writing a book or has written a book. Many numbers of the lieutenant generals, major generals, and the army chief. And one thing I would like to say, almost all the army chief, once they retire, they memorize their fantastic journey. But no such big dispute was arised against any other such ex-generals. I am telling in a general way. Now let us understand what went wrong with this book. My dear friends, we all, I am talking about me, we all had our career with the defense. We had been a part of our military. When we were in the service, we had many complaints with the service. ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये बुरा नहीं है, ज़्यादा काम हो गया, कम काम हो गया, जाना पड़ रहा है, फैमिली से दूर. These all are a part of the life. Because we all are human beings, we have sense, we have these things. But this does not mean that difficulties we faced will lead us to write, to speak, to tell, to express anything against our armed forces. Not acceptable to our soul itself. If our brain, our mind, our emotions says that this thing is wrong, this has been wrong to us, then also no sincere soldier can write or tell that our services are having any bad thing. That is the quality of a soldier. Now coming to the book of General Narwade. See, the controversial part which was picked up by the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and was tried to deliver in the parliament, was having some sensible data. Not data, sensible statements. In the initial pages, what was shown or what was written or what was expressed by Mr. Rahul Gandhi contains some of the objectionable facts which was not cleared by Ministry of Defense. Any general who is writing a book or any army officer after retirement or during service, he cannot write. After retirement, if writing a book, he needs to take a NOC or no objection certificate from Ministry of Defense. There is a separate cell which deals with the media and publicity and all of such books, and even after they interact with all media persons and all. After due vetting by designated people, that book is released. A person who has been appointed or who had a charge to lead the Indian Army, that is General of Indian Army, had such a big informations regarding warfare, regarding strategic preparations, and regarding the functionality of the government along with the Ministry of Defense to the Indian Army. Out of that, many such facts are there which are solely the internal policy matter or SOP matters between the government of India and the Indian Army. Means no such strategic matters, steps, SOPs should be leaked out of Indian Army and the government of India. In that controversial page shown by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, General Narwane says that I got a call from local commander that few tanks, I think he has not disclosed the numbers because I have not read that book. That is disclaimer point of view from my side. So few numbers of tanks is coming on the Kailash range. I was listening the video of one Colonel Sailendra Singh. He was giving a bet. If somebody can prove that tanks can reach to the Kailash range, he told, that was his statement, that I will ask the apology to the Mr. Rahul Gandhi and General Narwane. That means, and he has been a field officer in that place also. That means the facts written in officer who has served in that area, and is also a very designated and dedicated officer. So in that book further he writes, General Narwane writes, that upon getting a call from my local commander, I made a call to my CDS, to my defense minister and to the prime minister. In that he says that I made many calls to get the reply for the action to be taken by the Indian Army. That one general is asking to the defense minister or CDS, but every time I was given a half an hour time that I will tell. Ultimately I made a call to the prime minister, like this he has told. Ultimately he himself has confessed in that book. I have not studied that book. Whatever the pages was shown by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as per that, ultimately General Narwane says that I got a confirmation from Prime Minister Modi or the government. Exactly, I am not aware from which appointment he is asking for these things. He got an confirmation that जो उचित हो वो करो, whatever required, do it. My dear friends, I want to clarify that if the government says to a general whatever is proper, whatever is required, you do it, what type of else big authority, power, decision one needs? I think this is the biggest statement, biggest power, biggest authority, biggest signature, biggest go ahead and biggest okay was given by the government of India. And after that, what happened in the Galwan, we knew. Initial clash was happened because both the armies were not using the fire weapons. They just fought with some stick and all, rolled by all these nails and all. After that, the big thing happened. We know it all. And even the Indian Army had to mobilize its one mountain division with all tanks and all. But matter is not that. I want to ask one question. why General Narwane wants that China and other many adversaries like Pakistan are in that era, in this geopolitical situation. I consider US itself is our adversary, because United States helped Pakistan in that situation when we were in the high degree of conflict during Operation Sindoor. So why United States should come to know about our strategic movements? Why some adversary should know that in the India, General Narwane or any army general is not having the sole authority to take the decision for one small tank movement at the China. My dear friends, I bet you that this decision solely belongs to the level of local area commander, group commander, or brigade commander. If some firing starts coming from Pakistan to one of the posts, for that reason, that BSF DG or army chief need not to call to the CDS, defense minister, or even the prime minister. So you have been already associated, given power, authority, decision making protocols to take up the steps. And in that book he writes, and I was given a hot potato. That means you want to say that you were fixed by the government in such a position that you are not able to go ahead or come back. My dear friends, the post of the general is not such where at every step he wants a spoon feeding from the government. You had a sufficient experience, you have a sufficient length of the service to suit such situations. One special thing was with the China, that during our previous conflict or previous whatever clashes had happened, after that both the countries had decided not to use the firepower or fire weapon during patrolling at that end. I can understand up to that. But if you keep on calling to your boss and if you are not getting the reply, then also can you turn head from the situation which has been arised in front of you? If one fighter pilot is flying over on our border and he got a sense in his radar that that Pakistani Air Force F-16 are coming and trying to intrude inside our border, he need not to call to the Prime Minister. He will take decision either himself, either call to the ATC, either with the local commander on the RT who is available, and he has to take the decision. For that reason you have been given the ranks. There is a difference between civilian authority and the Army, Air Force, Navy generals. You have become a general after passing so many years, going through so many conflicts, having studied so many warfare footprints, having seen all the aspects, all the even though I can say all the posts of the Indian Army, you know better rather than Prime Minister or Defense Minister. If one general calls to the Defense Secretary that tanks are coming, what I should do, the General Secretary have some printed forms of the protocols, he can order only on the basis of that, nothing else. But you know better the way the tanks are coming, is there valley or the road, what is the type of tanks, what is their range. The local commander, the local officer who is available on the ground can detail it well. So my primary objection to that book is that there are certain controversial statements given by an army general are not acceptable, and I appreciate to the Ministry of Defense for not approving the publications and not approving the publishing of this book. Today, The publisher of that book, Penguin, has clarified as in the written statement that no hard copy or the soft copy has been printed, stroke, circulated over the media by the Penguin, as the publication of this book has not been get approval at from the Ministry of Defense at the concerned cell level. So, if certain document, certain book has not been given NOC from the Ministry of Defense and it has not been published by the publisher, then also if somebody is carrying the book, that means the criminal offense is to be constituted towards that person or that group of the people who tried to circulate the content of that book. Ministry of Defense has got certain objectionable facts in that book which need not to be disclosed or which should not come out from the outside India. So the step taken by Ministry of Defense should be respected by the publisher as well as General Narwade and as well as the leader of opposition. But the leader of opposition has made a mind that he will not leave any step to give a bad name to the India, to the parliament, to the Indian general and to the democracy of the India. So purposely he leaked that book. He got a book and he given a statement that I got this book is available on the Amazon. He has given this statement in the parliament, which was just contradicted in the previous day by Defense Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh, that this book is not published yet, so we cannot go ahead for the discussion on that book, which was just supported by the Lok Sabha Speaker also. The next day he brought a book, he told that it is available on the Amazon. And no book is available on the Amazon and Flipkart. And even after you got a hard copy of the book, you had to prove in front of, now I just saw the Delhi police has registered FIR for publishing, printing, propaganding about this book, which has not been given the NOC and which has not been published by the original publisher. If somebody else is publishing that book, that comes under the Copyright Act also. There is a punishment of from 3 months to the 3 years in this Copyright Act. So if the original publisher is giving the statement that I have not printed this book, who has printed? That means some criminal conspiracy has been framed to make a big issue and bring this book in the controversy, maybe to benefit somebody or to just lodge or defame to the then Indian government. So I have a strong objection on the book of the General Narwade. If you have given any statement which should not come out as per Ministry of Defense, I want to ask one question. If General Narwade would have been the general this time, would he has been given the permission to any such book written by any other generals? No, because he will not try and he will not allow such facts to come out when the Ministry of Defense of the Indian Army comes in the controversy. Now you have retired, you have some 4 or 5 years back you got retirement, now you want to create a controversy. Rather you are writing something which is controversial. Nobody can believe that any general does not know which should come out or which should not come out. Many people have a statement nowadays that everything is available in media. My dear, everything is available in media, but everything is not correct also which is available in the media. During Operation Sindoor, you got many things in the media, but all are that correct? No. The facts are not always as per your media informations, and defense facts are really not as per media informations. We have many other facts which are true. We know what is true. So what media know, if all the facts media is knowing, that means the no secrecy has been made by the defense institutions. which are the primary requirement. So I request Government of India to frame a charge against those who purposely leaked this book, printed this book, circulated this book, and made a propaganda regarding this book. Because it has not only leaked some important SOP protocols to our adversary, but also in some extent made defamed our generals or Indian army. Our prime responsibility is that our flag should fly high. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.